All parties Hurriyat conference while stressing that Indian government led by Narendra Modi is continuously peddling false propaganda to push the so-called normalcy narrative, has reiterated its call to boycott of the G20 summit in Srinagar. The representatives of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference at an extraordinary meeting in Srinagar drew the attention of the G20 countries towards cordon and search operations, killings and arrests by the Indian troops in the territory on daily basis, and said that these brutal activities are enough to say no to the event in Srinagar. Convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter Mahmood Ahmad Saghar has urged Muslim countries in the Group 20 G20 to boycott its upcoming event being hosted by India in Srinagar, the capital of the disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir illegally occupied by India. Highlighting the Indian regime's nefarious designs behind the move, Saghar, in a letter addressed to the heads of the governments of Turkey, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia and China, said that by arranging the high-profile meeting in Srinagar, New Delhi wants to keep the facade of normalcy alive. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front has paid glowing tributes to the noted religious scholar and former chief of the Jamiat-e-Ahle Hadith Jammu and Kashmir Maulana Shaukat Ahmad Shah on his martyrdom anniversary. Maulana Shaukat Ahmad Shah was martyred in a blast on April 8, 2011 outside a mosque in Srinagar. President Doctors Association Government Medical College Jammu has strongly opposed the Modi regime's order issued by the local dispensation for appointment of the faculty members in medical and dental colleges on the mere criterion of the MBBS marks, citing manipulation in exams and scoring in India. Addressing a press conference at the GMC Jammu, President of the association, Dr. Shubham Surmal, condemned the order which states that 75% of the marks for the selection in various disciplines for registrars and faculty posts will be based upon the MBBS marks only. Indian troops arrested 2 civilians including a woman in the Baramulla district. The troops during cordon and search operation and house raids arrested a woman in Sopore town and a youth in Patan area of the district. The Indian troops dubbed them the associate members of the Mujahideen. Indian Army sponsored Village Defence Guards member committed suicide in Rajouri district. The Village Defence Guard member, identified as Suresh Kumar Sharma, committed suicide by shooting himself with his service rifle. Pakistan has expressed its strong indignation over India's decision to hold the G20 Tourism Working Group meeting in Srinagar on 22 to 24 May 2023. Foreign Office spokesperson in a statement in Islamabad today said scheduling of 2 other meetings of a consultative forum on youth affairs in Leh and Srinagar is equally disconcerting.